we're going to have some goodie bags to raffle off, including one of those bags will be that Disney Cruise Line backpack. We're going to give away a limited number of these each and every cruise, and we're giving away another one this afternoon here at Bingo. But of course, you've got to be in it to win it. So card sales are on right now, with the first game coming your way at 4:15. Also coming your way at 4:15, we do over Disney Vacation Club group review. Yes, if you want to learn more about taking those magical